Churchandpur and Wangoi municipal councillors joined BJP. Biren says his government's priority is to strengthen unity. Manipur observes Earth Day. Minister Shyam Kumar appeals to people to plant trees to protect environment. Desam claims there were errors in questions of HSLC examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Principal Chief Conservator of Forest Manipur denies report of killing Royal Bengal tiger in Manipur. And 20 regular staff of veterinary and animal husbandry service in More have been drawing salaries without attending office for many years. Good evening viewers, you're watching Primetime English News and I'm Priyobarta Sharma with all the top stories of the day. 25 members of Churchandpur Autonomous District Council ADC led by the chairman and 14 members of Manipur National Democratic Front MNDF of Wangoi Municipal Council including the chairperson joined the BJP today. Speaking at the reception held at BJP Manipur Pradesh's office, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said there is no difference between the people of the hills and valley. He said some more councillors will also join the party shortly. Biren said the top priority of the BJP-led government is to strengthen unity between the hills and valley and jointly work for the development of the state. He asserted that people have faith in the party and more people are joining the party. He said BJP is a party which is ready to sacrifice everything for the welfare of the people. He denied the news appeared on local dailies that some of the MLAs and ministers will be leaving the party. Biren also urged the ministers, MLAs, ADC members and the leaders of Hill Area Committee to visit the families of those who died in the ILP protest to resolve the issues and perform their last rites.
अकोई सरकार की स्टेबिलिटी की दमक कोई नोम दसु हंगदे हाइनिंग आइसु लेते मीडिया दा करीदा कमेंट पक पी के दवे आ थोक दौरे थोक अंगाव बनते मी अकोई की स्पीकर अकोई का लेरगा सरकार सेमग लेबा कोई कुंथ्राम दोइ की हयंग मंगा तरुक थोएं खलोने नोंगान बद मोय लोइरे सोइरे पेप मधु एमएलए सिंग लोइ खंगी सरकार सिदैदा कनागुम खरदा पब्लिक ता इंसेप्टी लेगदोर बरगायना माइंड डाउट हो हेनबगी क्रिएट तौननबगी पोटो मरम सारदि फबा अचुंबोर दिफब अद अरानबदि संदोंनो गुमसे हैबने इना मरमदि रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट अमदगी सोंथोकपा इसे मसिदि नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल मै खु मरक उफुल मरक लेनिंद्रे आहांग नुसि थिरगा आहांग नुसि द थोकसेरगो कोइन थोलकनु यावरो हिंगनो थोलकनु
Earth Day is observed today all over the world with the message to protect environment. The day is celebrated worldwide to demonstrate support for environmental protection. The day was proposed at the UNESCO conference in 1969 and the first Earth Day celebrations took place in 1970. The campaign theme for this year is Environmental and Climate Literacy. In the message, Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Venkaiah Naidu called on people to remember that Mother Earth can satisfy everyone's need but not everyone's greed. World Earth Day is observed in Manipur too. Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar distributed saplings to school and college students on the occasion. Forest and Environmental Department observed the day on the theme Environment and Climate Literacy at Manipur State Film Development Society. Speaking on the occasion as a resource person, former principal of DM College of Science G. Tomba Sharma spoke about the history of World Earth Day. He reminded the school and college students that human beings alone can save the planet Earth. Minister Shyam Kumar appealed to the students and teachers to plant the saplings provided to them at their schools and homes. He also said discussions are going on with the officials of the Forest and Environment Department to save water resource and protect the environment. He assured that steps will be taken to protect the environment within a month. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah greeted the people on the eve of Khongjom Day. In a message, the governor said, Khongjom Day is celebrated on April 23rd every year, remembering the supreme sacrifices made by the forefathers who died for the freedom of the motherland. She urged the people to forget differences and rededicate themselves to the task of nation building. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology NILIT Akampat, Imphal and Manipur Police Telecom Organization MPTO jointly organized one-day cybersecurity awareness program and e-waste management system at the Office of Police Telecom Organization at 1st Manipur Rifles today. ADGP Intelligence P. Dongel, DIG of Telecom Police SH Dwijamani and Executive Director NILIT Imphal TH Prameshwar were present at the event. Speaking on the occasion, P. Dongel stressed the significance of mobile phones and internet in people's lives on the occasion. He was hopeful that the awareness program will benefit the police department.
There are many types of equipments that are needed for extracting data out of a mobile, or maybe tracing a call back, or where a WhatsApp message is originated. These type of things, knowledge is required as well as machine is required, software is also required. Police so what are the crime prevalent in our state, computer gumba or mobile gumba, there are so many elements, so many metals which are very rare and very poisonous. In India we do not have so much problem in this. Of course it is coming up, but in African countries, the problems already even UN is interfering to protect the health of people.
A delegation of core committee and executive committee members of Joint Administrative Council JAC of All Manipur Trade Unions Council AMTUK and All Manipur Government Employees Organization AMGO called on the Chief Minister N. Biren at his office chamber yesterday. The members of the JAC discussed their pending demands, including implementation of 7th Central Pay with the Chief Minister. Biren told them that adoption of 7th Central Pay in the state will be considered after the Fitment Committee headed by the Chief Secretary submits its report to the government. Spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MLA Kumukcham Joykishan said the framework agreement between the Government of India and NSNIM will not bring about a lasting solution to the Naga issues. He blamed the BJP for using NSNIM as a tool during elections. Joykishan was speaking at the Diamond Jubilee celebration of Namthanglong Youth Club. He also challenged the BJP government to announce the deadline of the agreement. The MLA unveiled a memorial stone on the occasion. Cultural performances were the highlights of the event. Mementos were also presented to the family members of the late club members. Both elderly and young people from Namthanglong took part in the event.
Ushers and
Parliamentary Secretary Health and Family Welfare Swebam Subhashandra today visited various primary health centers and sub-centers in Nauria Pakanglakpa constituency. He was accompanied by Director of Health and Family Welfare Dr. K. Lokendra. Primary Health Center at Mekwala was functioning with only 3 doctors, even though it should have 8 doctors. The Health Director assured that the rest of the doctors will be posted at the earliest. The MLA also assured the people of upgrading the health center to a community health center.
Honorable Chief Minister, Sri N. Yamba Birengi Lising Makada, Harmony election among the PG, but committing Sarkar, see, Lamatung the Queen of committing to be doing a health sectors in there, and again PSC Tangnabi Sing Lamito, whom she take priority basis, take Tabaxi Pakanaba, Aduma, Kuntangi Makada, Ningasi, now Yapakanga Boki and the Gimagnum, the lady. Mekwala primary health center gi health center ji makhada primary health sub center ji award apa ji yengin jabani.
Indigenous Peoples Association of Kanglei Park IPAK has financed the education of 10-year-old Hijam Pore Meitei from class 4 to 6 at a private school as part of its assistance to poor children. Publicity Secretary of IPAK R.K. Bhaskar Mangang said Pore Meitei from Sero Ward number 4 lost his father and IPAK had supported his education till class 4. He lost his mother recently and his aunt M. Bijanti expressed the desire to send him to a private English medium school. R.K. Bhaskar also appealed to the people of Manipur to come forward and help such children. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, has claimed that there were mistakes and errors in the question papers of the high school leaving certificate examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur from March 12th to April 14th. DESAM also drew the attention of BOSEM to the matter and urged it to issue a clarification regarding the mistakes. Speaking to media persons at DESAM's temporary office at Sagolban Moiranglerak, Secretary General of DESAM Namayarakpam Edison said there were over 30 mistakes in the mathematics question paper, including numeral mistakes, spelling mistakes and grammatical errors, 11 mistakes in science paper, 17 mistakes in social science paper, 12 in Manipuri paper and a question that has no answer in English question paper. The student body strongly condemned the negligence on the part of BOSEM. It also questioned if the mistakes were intentional in order to award extra marks to the students.
Tungan subject sing the paktaknana high examination sigi question lan khibagi thawong si Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi section daba adugumba thawong amani haidana desam fawi kana question setter question sem mi legani dubu question je amungana mudu yengjenba question moderator legani amadi question je proof reader amusu legani sumai tawdana tungan stage sing da yamna section na sem liba nammiba question stage da sumaina asuk yamna question laliba si matau karam thokibano haibasi DESAM da natana tungan ba Manipur gi mipung khudimak gi mase hangningai oiba hangiba adugumba wahang amakhani hiram sigi matang da Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi chairman gi level lagi kadai da kamai tawdana soikibano haibadugi chapchaba white paper ama puthoknaba DESAM demand tawi.
Khongjom Circle Development Committee has rubbished the claims of Wangjing Tentha Development Committee that the people of Wangjing Tentha will not take part in tomorrow's Khongjom Day celebration. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of Khongjom Circle Development Committee M. Tomba said people of Wangjing Tentha were not involved in the decision not to take part in the celebration by Wangjing Tentha Development Committee. He said there is no hard and fast rule that the MLA of Wangjing Tentha has to deliver the welcome address. Tomba further said Wangjing Tentha Development Committee will participate in the celebration tomorrow. Hairok MLA and Education Minister T.H. Radhesham will deliver the welcome speech.
Honorable Minister Thoksom Radheshamna welcome address pibagi parton da yawbadubu ngarangi committee aduna react torga madu maram chade khote na haibase apik pawa khalon gi rajniti ni masina maram oraga hairok kendra gi praja amasung Wangjing Tentha kendra gi praja singda nusinadaba adumba thong kaya lakpa yai masi sinbiganu chahi khuding gi pangthokpa haikat lekat tamba thorom masida tongan ba rajniti gi akhuba mi engda maram chadaba maram kaya pidna akaya toy thona base masi hona biganu musuma thabase taw biganu sine khona hajinimusi.
People are facing serious inconveniences due to the non-repair of Irong Kuno suspension bridge over the Imphal River. This is an important bridge connecting Irong Kuno in Imphal East and Mutam Pibo in Imphal West. The bridge was set on fire by unknown miscreants in December last year. Advisor of Samaj Riyazuddin Aribam said the bridge is very important for the people, particularly the students. This is also an important means of circles of Thaudam Leshangthem, Khekman, Thobal Muijing and Nungai Chongtham. He alleged that the authorities have not repaired the bridge despite many requests. He appealed to the Works Minister to immediately look into the matter.
Thobal District Amadi, Imphal West District Anigi Tainaba, Amakhatangaraba, Lambi Oibanina, Masi Yamna, Drakar Level Lifeline ni, Maramaduna, Lambi se, Amukhana, Sembina, Pakathong Ama. Ontok piu pakathong ama ontok piraga matam pumbagi oina yai phanabagi dama ngasigi paliba lengak anoba government asina sinbinaba appeal tawjare.
The primary health sub-center in Irong Kuno is also in a pitiable condition. The center was inaugurated by Director of Family Welfare Services Dr. K. Rajo and Wabgai MLA Fazur Rahim in April 2015. Secretary of Youth Welfare Development Organization Irong Umang Litan Makalikai C.H. Salahuddin said the lone health center for a population of 3,000 functioned for about 3 months after the inauguration. There are no doctors or nurses at the center. The people also face non-availability of safe drinking water since the Irong Kuno water supply scheme, whose construction began in 2006, is not complete yet. The Irong Ichin Pakka bridge is not yet inaugurated yet. although the construction was complete by 2011. The retaining wall of the bridge has already begun to collapse. Villagers have appealed to the new government to look into their grievances.
Subcenter asi Dr. Ilak lakhidre mate khara Dr. la amaga hujik Dr. Suglak laktana mafam asi napi haujal laga office asi ran tawdadan leire adi sanga ba kari kari mata tawdana thong asi mayam adum lan thok lansin tawna khare somda leirba retaining wall asi shu hujik setha khare thong asi dug irong to hangun phawgi masigi lambi singsida hujik kolas thabagi thabukwan thadana leiriba asi athuba matamgi manungda mari leinaba authority ni action biraga lambi kairiba oriba mayam asi semjin binaba sarkari pukning siksinjari.
At least 20 regular staff of veterinary and animal husbandry service in More have been drawing salaries without attending office for the last many years. The office has 5 casual staff, 5 who have been employed since 1999 without giving salaries. Representatives of different communities living in More and media persons today visited the office situated at Hainomakong in More Ward number 7. The office is being run without the necessary facilities by 5 casual employees, including 1 woman. The office does not stock vaccines for the animals and have a refrigerator to store medicines for the animals who are brought for treatment. The staff do not know the exact number of staff since the deputy director has taken the attendance register. When asked about the condition of the office on telephone, the deputy director said the office has 20 regular staff and 10 casual staff. He said the staff did not attend the office as there were no quarters for them.
Quarter laitavana maram oidana phamung leite karimata leite phi tharaga tumdana sideda lei ground akoi bajisu fencing tawba pami kariguma vaccine lama thamjage haiba taraga ju ingbagi temperature maintain tawna bagi freeze leite to phangakte basi 1990 ga 899 swai pai ba udumaina oire khoje suraga saluraga job card ki mawong de lei adu regular pi gadra pirakadra karam matamda yagani haibagi asada ngasi yoba office ji dedum lengdana khoi leiriba staff khara jinga khoi casual leiriba mayam jiga khoi pulap leijai regular staff ani ahum amadi marak sarakta adamak lakpa unai ujai aduga ayambadi.
Homeless Landless People's Association Imphal East has alleged that the government has not provided the land certificates or pata to the villagers of Oksu, Ningthemchakul, Nongdam, Nongren, Chingnungkhok, Nongpok Herok, Telau, Chana, Lemakumapal, Nongpok Kakshing and Nongada, who have been living in these villages for nearly 60 years. Speaking to Impact News at Manipur Press Club today, spokesperson of the association, Thokchom Ajit, said the development schemes by the government have not reached the villages since they do not possess patas. Although the youth have voting rights, they are not able to get the benefits of the developmental programs of the government. Thokchom Ajit said they will submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister and local MLA demanding patas for the villagers.
Sarkargi poil amada payment thibji lupa lising ama lair parja amana dukhon taw yariba hingon gumba haitare maji hingon hingna ba hingon je dukhon taw yaribana point 20 de aba ka henbe ade ge jo hai adu tadi hoji lair parja amada payment poil amda lising ama thi taragadi lair parja amana point 20 dukhon taw taragadi lising kun thidori ne bamu lising kun thi taragadi masijo muk thiba ngam da bibatum la aba adu sarkargi meng sarkai kudong jaba kai lebano payment handu de back taw biba yaba daraga zum adugi kudong jaba du pibiraga ekoi athu mutamda mai lemu bibhag jingna ekoi pata.
Heading into a small commercial break, we'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Prime Time English News, and now the news further. Lirol Pan held theatre and education workshop to develop personality of children in Wakha in Khetrigaon constituency. It has been organizing the workshop from the 28th of this month in various parts of the state. Akoijam Langamba, who passed out from NSD Tripura Theatre in Education, conducted classes for 30 children. Similar programs will also be held in Naharup, Kumbong and Mayang Imphal. People today felicitated Gaininglu Panmai, who cracked the Indian Legal Service ILS 2016 conducted by Union Public Service Commission UPSC. The felicitation was organized by Langol Tarung Village Authority at Langol Tarung Community Hall. Kailinu Panmai, who belongs to the Kabui community, is the first person to be selected as the Deputy Legislative Council in Legislative Department, Ministry of Law and Justice from the northeastern states. Headquarters IGR South organized the second Assam Rifles ex-servicemen rally at Bal Bhavan Hall, Kumalampak today. Retired Assam Rifles personnel, widows of Assam Rifles personnel and veterans of Second World War were honored by presenting gifts at the event. Wheelchairs and hearing aids were also distributed to old Assam Rifles personnel. The veterans apprised the Assam Rifles officials of the inconveniences they faced post-retirement. Facilities for opening of bank accounts and enrollment of Aadhaar cards were provided at different stalls opened during the rally.
और हमारा मोटो जो है वी कनेक्ट एंड वी केयर। हम आपसे अधिक से अधिक मिलना चाहते हैं, आपसे मिल सकें, आपसे बातचीत कर सकें, आपसे जान सकें, आपकी समस्याओं को सुन सकें और उनका समाधान निकाल सकें। समस्या है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इस तरह के आयोजन का ही आयोजन किया जाए, उसके लिए वो हम उसके अलावा भी आपसे मिलकर आपसे जान सके क्या समस्याएं हैं और उनका समाधान निकाल सके।
The annual general body meeting of Sainik School Golpara Assam Old Boys Association OBA Manipur will be held on April 30th at 9 a.m. at Youth Hostel Kumalampak. In a press release, Secretary of the association requested all the members to attend the meeting. Family members of Ilam Priyo Barta from Nambol Kabok Wakching, who passed away 2 months ago, distributed gifts to the students of CH Ibol Institute of Mentally Retarded at Changangai Uchekon today. CDPO of Social Welfare Department KH Subadini, Secretary of Center for Mental Hygiene CH Pishakmacha and Vice Chairperson of Nambol Municipal Council Kunjeshwari Devi were also present at the function. Santipala, the mother of Priyo Barta, said she will distribute gifts to other institutes too, as her son always wanted to do this. The year-long celebration of the 126th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, organized by Dalit Sahitya Academy Manipur, kicked off today at Manipur Press Club. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Award was also presented to 46 persons in recognition of their contribution in different fields. Proprietor of Loktak Industries G.C. Sharma has been selected by All India Business Development Association for the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Sadbhavana Award. The award will be presented on June 9th in Dehradun. All India Business Development Association is an apex body that promotes and encourages commendable achievements from all over the country. The 6th Foundation Day of Senior Citizens Forum was celebrated at Singjamai Mathak Thokchomlekai today. One-day legal awareness program was also held in connection with the event. Speaking at the event, Speaker Yumnam Khemchan stated that if the law enforcing agents misuse the law, the innocent people suffer. He said proper implementation of the law will help maintain a good relationship between the law enforcing agents and the people.
Karimganda law enforcer reversing lana sinarkanda, Padaba semi below misuse Toroga, Maralitaba sings Wali have again as example and Pizabani. Law enforced the Viva Kanguna, Misang Mikai Naidana, Sagi, Misang Sangayangana, Law si Sana Hanaba, Napiba Taragadi, Police general people singer relations of Pakatani, Amadi, English Hanti Labelak, Wadapada, Sagi Mating Bangani.
A local committee of all Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee Amokok from Irong Khul to Kairak in Thobal district has been formed at a meeting held at Irong Kunung Community Hall. Muhammad Abdul Khatik, Muhammad Razik and Muhammad Riazuddin were appointed President, Vice President and General Secretary of the committee. And some sports news. Team Manipur, which will participate in the 7th Hockey India Junior Women National Championship Division B, left Imphal for Bhopal today. The championship will be held from April 27th to May 6th. NG Thabalaima is the manager of the team, while CH Shakuntala is the coach. 2 goalkeepers, 3 forward blocks, 5 half lines, 8 forward line players and 5 reserve players are part of the team. They were flagged off this morning at Kumalampak Hockey Stadium. President of Manipur Hockey and Olympian KSH Thoiba and members of Manipur Hockey were present at the event. The championship will see 25 teams from across the country compete in 5 different groups. Manipur, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Mizoram are in Group B. Manipur played their first league match on the 27th of this month against Himachal Pradesh.
World champion Uriba team singsi Australia gumba, Holland gumba, German gumba, sumagi team singsi ki akhoi afauba coaching si matam khara puhallaga akhoi standard se hojikti akhoi modern hockey si akhoi mamanga gi India gi Pakistan gi game du gi khara yamna change la abani na rule gum iroinana akhoi na mapan gi coach si engage tongna na ba kan proposal committee gi side tawbadagi hockey India na madu akhoi ministry da propose tawraga India gi coach si mapan gi akhoi experts in kaudana trainers in kaudana dumaina hawkibani aduna India gi performance se hojikti international level da world gi best team singsi gi standard da hojik sanaba ngame aduna India Pakistan hairambado hojiti Pakistan se my performance nemdana lehore.
First Sangai Trophy Veterans Football Tournament will kick off tomorrow at Kumalampak Main Stadium. 20 teams will take part in the tournament, which is organized by All Manipur United Veteran Football Association. TBSFA Tobungkhok and FC Imphal will meet in the first match of the tournament. All Manipur Football Association in a press release said Asian Football Confederation selected Sapam Kennedy as an assistant referee for the first semi-final of the AFC Cup Asian Zone to be played on May 17th. A. Nelson of HLSYDO Unit, M. Benhur of SEDOG Unit and I. David of NLM Unit bagged the first, second and third place respectively in the 33rd State Age Group Aquatic Championship held at Kumalampak Swimming Pool today. In the 50-meter backstroke, Girls Group 4, L. Ritika of CSC Unit, H. Enzalia of NLM Unit and K. Kevashri of CSC Unit bagged the first, second and third positions. In 100-meter freestyle Boys Group 2, Hiren Sagolsem and S. Punshiba of MGMC Unit won first and second place, while N. Janish of SEDOG Unit bagged the third position. In the 100-meter freestyle Girls Group 3, Dekalu Panmay of CSC Unit, L. Jessica of MGMG Unit and A. Yaifabi of TYC Unit bagged the first, second and third positions respectively. 250 participants in different age groups are taking part in the championship, which will end tomorrow. NFC Sejang and PGA Pundongbom beat their rivals in the first Paradise Union Pundongbom Pupu Cup Under-17 9A side football tournament. NFC Sejang trounced LYPOC Mantripukri 11-2 in a league match, while PGA Pundongbom beat CYFC Chinku 4-1 in another league match. The 35th State Arm Wrestling Championship kicked off today at the Community Hall of Oriental Youth Organization Kongpal Iranpham Thongkong. Under the Master 70 kg, TH Othello of MYASA Unit, T Jayanta of MPSC Unit and KH Buddha of MABOI Unit bagged the first, second and third positions respectively. In Master 80 kg category, M. Jiban of MPSC Unit bagged the first position, while Muhammad Kalam and N. Ranjit of MYASA Unit bagged the second and third place respectively. In Master 90 kg, TH Okenro and Muhammad Abdul of MPSC Unit bagged the first and second positions. In under Master 100 kg, TH Sarad of EK Unit won the first place, while K. Dhanabir of MPSC Unit bagged the second position. In Master 110 kg, TH Tondon of MPSC and KH Sanjit of Myasa Unit bagged the first and second position. The championship is organized by Kongpal Students Club under the aegis of Manipur Arm Wrestling Association, and 92 competitors from 10 units are taking part in it. And before we end the headlines once again, members of ADC Churchanpur and Wangui municipal councillors joined BJP. Biren says his government's priority is to strengthen unity. Manipur observes Earth Day. Minister Shyamkumar appeals to people to plant trees to protect environment. Desam claims there were errors in questions of HSLC examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Manipur denies report of killing Royal Bengal tiger in Manipur. And 20 regular staff of veterinary and animal husbandry service in More have been drawing salaries without attending office for many years.